Okay, before tayo mag-start, I want you to prepare 1/8 crosswise and 1/4. 1/4. So 1/8, sulat niyo yung text ninyo. Because the recitation natin ay reward.
Sir, nagdulong signal pa rin. Ayaw niya? Dominic?
Right turning. Okay, before we start, I want you to answer these jumbled letters that related to our topic. Okay? Any volunteer? Okay, Lance? Injuries. Tama. Okay, next. Okay. Volunteer? Okay, Padeo?
Intentional.
Intentional.
Intentional foul. Intentional.
And this one? Okay, Kristen? Prevention.
Prevent na. Lagi na.
So our topic in health, the injury prevention, safety, and first aid. So our objectives is to define the intentional injuries, describe the two types of intentional injuries, and discuss the categories of intentional injuries and identify prevention and management of intentional injuries. Okay, this is the concept and types of intentional injuries. So yeah, please read. Intentional injuries. Okay, let's.
Intentional injuries are when a person brings harm to themselves or other on purpose. Self-harm is when a person intentionally brings harm to themselves. An example would be suicide.
Okay, what do you mean by intentional or intention? Okay, Divesh.
Inflicted harm on purpose.
What?
Inflicted harm on purpose.
Inflicted harm on purpose. So yeah. So from the word intention, it means you have an intention to hurt yourself or other people. But the other people, they are intention not by accident, but they are intended to do it. So may mga risk factors that have been linked to suicide. So yun yung mga mental illnesses like yung depression, yung mga alcohol disorders, and yung abuses or violence, and also the loss and cultural and social background. So merong two types of intentional injuries. So self-inflicted, and second one is assault. So self-inflicted means, sino ang gustong share ng idea? What is self-inflicted? Self-inflicted means when a person harms himself or herself on purpose. And yung assault naman, they are harms in other on purpose. So merong types of self-inflicted, yung suicide and para-suicide. So suicide, ano nga ba ang suicide? What? Please,
Ma'am, unaliving po.
unaliving?
Iya.
Unaliving yourself? Okay? Okay, yung hati.
Baka yung nga diyan.
Ma'am, saan kami mo ko? Ay, ma'am.
Ano pa? Aliving yourself and
Taking your own life.
taking your own life. So, tama. So, suicide is an intentional Yes, their anxiety. Then, loss of family members. Yan. Hallucination and stress. Ano ba? Sorry. Life problem. Mental health. Ano pa? What? No, sana.
Relapse and
Relapse and
withdrawal.
Relapse and?
Withdrawal.
Relapse and?
Withdrawal.
Withdrawal. Okay? Bullying. Yan. So, all of your answers are correct. So, nagsusuicide ang isang tao, nagpukumit ang isang tao mag-suicide because of hindi na nila kinakaya yung mga stress na dinaramdam nila. And also yung love life, yung sa nandiyan yung love life problem. Dahil yung isang tao nag-break dahil lang mag-suicide. Next naman, yung para-suicide. What do you mean by para-suicide? Ha? Nilalason yung sarili. Okay, pwede?
Overdose.
Slowly killing yourself. Tama.
Underdose.
Yes, so para-suicide is different from suicide. They are just hurting themselves, but they're not intend to die. Parang example na yun yung paglalaslas. Diba? Sinasaktan mo lang yung sarili mo pero ayaw mo mamatay. So yun din siguro yung isang dahilan kung bakit gusto niya lang saktan yung sarili niya para maibsan yung sakit na nararamdaman niya. Okay? Naintindihan ba? Okay, let's proceed to categories of intentional injuries. So this one, anong napapansin niyo sa domestic violence?
Pedophile.
Ano?
Sexual abuse.
Of their partners.
Physical assault. Physical assault.
Physical assault. Nag-i-involve siya sa physical assault. Then, sino pa?
International.
It is an act of sa domestic violence, it is an act of involving physical assault. It can be hitting, pushing, shoving, and also the verbal abuse or sexual abuse. So, nag-i-involve dito yung mga abuses, mga actions, like sabi nga ni Jared, you are sa partner ninyo, you are forcing them. Example na dito yung you are abusing your partner, or you are always spying on him or her, yan, because of the drug or alcohol disorder. So sa bullying, second, bullying.
Third.
Yes.
Bullying.
Si Kevin
Bullying. Bullying, which is very prone to us, especially we are here at school. So it is the unwanted aggressive behavior. So may mga types of bullying: verbal, social, physical, and cyberbullying. So you can still be bullied even if you are not in a physical contact to a person because of what? Online, yeah, social media. So yan. Stalking, ito sa stalking.
Kevin Perito.
Yun din sa mga stalker. Yan. Any idea what is stalking?
Si Kevin Perito.
Stalking means it is search. What is stalking? Stalker ka?
Hindi.
So in stalking means it is an act or pattern of behavior that makes you
Conscious.
Uncomfortable. Yeah. And conscious.
Harass.
Ano pa? Harass. Yan. So all of your answers are correct. So, in this is talking, ano yung mga ginagawa ng mga stalkers? They are always following you. Watching you. And watching you.
Everybody
Ano pa?
Pinapanood.
Yes, that's it. Also, and yung ina-hack nila yung mga account, di ba? Ina-hack nila yung mga FB account natin just to stalk you or follow you. Next, extortion. Oh, extortion. Hostage. Ano pa?
Blackmail.
Blackmail.
Threaten. Threat. Threat.
Ano pa? Blackmail.
Threat.
Threat. Yes, in this extortion, it is an act of using force or trying to force people or for making their money or properties on paper. So, in this extortion, sino din yung mga ano, ang kukutongan niya, yung pangklase niya para lang bigyan siya ng pera.
Bakit?
You are forcing your classmates to give you money just to extort it. So don't you ever do that extortion. Next, gang. Oh, yes.
Yes! Si Yuta mo.
Di ba nakikita natin sila sometimes? Magkakagrupo sila and then anong may balak sila? Criminal activity or violence. Yan. Next, kidnapping.
Yes! Michael!
Kidnapping. What is kidnapping? The one risk factor of kidnapping is, of course, because of property. Yes. If not, people who are wanted to kidnap, they are just going to what? Para makabawi man lang sa mga kaaway nila. Just to kidnap the member of a family, di ba? Para lang makabawi or magawa nila yung kidnapping. So ano yung risk factor na reason kung bakit nagkikidnap ang isang tao? Because of they want also the money. Yes, ransom money. Next, terrorism. What is terrorism?
Lethal.
Terrorism, bioterrorism, cyber-terrorism, eco-terrorism, and nuclear terrorism. So what? What do you mean by terrorism? Magre-rebelde sa bayan. Kalaban. Yan. Then terrorism is through use of violence or political goals. Yan. And putting the public or a great number of people in fear. So ano nga ba yung dahilan kung bakit may terrorism? Isang factors. The one risk factor is innovation. So, ginagawa nila yung para the innovation is or taking the properties of one's enemy. Verbal abuse. Verbal abuse.
Brando.
Do you mean by verbal abuse? Walang reward.
Potato head.
Wala pa mong na-recite.
Words na.
Using of words. Yes. Using of words. Shaming. Body shaming. Yan. Body shaming. Cruelty that involves the use of words. So may mga characteristic ang verbal abuse. So may mga hurtful words, yung mga masasakit na salita. Yan. And also, they are abusing the abilities of the person. Yan. Number 9, sexual abuse. Yan.
Michael.
That incest and rape. What do you mean by incest?
Lazy. Experience.
Making out with someone
Di ba daw?
Making out someone with your partner? Ayun sa friend, yeah. Or ever closely, yeah. Then rape naman. Different rape. Forcing someone, yeah. You rape, they are forcing someone just to make sex with someone. Yeah. When the prevention and management of intentional injury.
Don't get drunk.
So how we prevent the intentional injuries?
Don't get drunk or use illicit drugs of any kind.
Yes,
kasi uminom
don't
iyan.
get drunk or use illicit drugs of any kind. Ano pa?
Don't drink.
Diyan na. So, forget?
Drink water.
Sino pa? Desire. Yung iba naman.
Sa Melby. Alam mo, sa Melby. Fruit.
Ikaw, iba pala. How we prevent the intentional injuries? Yan. Avoid dangerous neighborhoods the best that you can or pass through them as quickly as possible. Ano pa?
Preventing suicide.
Yan. Preventing suicide. Yan. So we prevent suicide, preventing suicide, knowledge of warning signs and ability to get help. Any more? If you see someone approaching you that makes you feel uncomfortable, what will you do?
Bombahin.
Report to police.
Report to police? Or
Bombahin.
Ano yan? You push them? Push them as you can and then punch them?
Always avoid violence.
Oh yes,
Pass.
always avoid violence. Okay, so, yan, when you feel like giving up, what will you, sino dito yung nasi-feel na mag-give up? Ano yung mga ginagawa ninyo?
Kevin Perito mo.
When you feel like giving up, just remember the reason why you have Again, in our summary, yan, injury prevention, safety, and first aid. Self-inflicted and
So,
soul. So what are the two types of self-inflicted? And the categories of intentional injuries.
Domestic violence, bullying,
Bullying,
stalking,
extortion, what? Ibigay yung dalawang types of sexual abuse. Stress and rape. Yan. The prevention and management of intentional injuries. And don't get drunk, avoid dangerous neighborhoods, and always walk in well-lit areas. So in your